Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
We're the RC Sailors and we're at our airfield to fly a little foldable selfie drone for you. This is one of the most uniquely shaped drones I've ever seen. It comes in around $60 and we're going to show you everything that comes in the box and fly this for you today. But before we do, I want to talk about the Rise Tello that we're going to give away. This was given to us, a brand new one from GearBest. We did a video on it not too long ago. Our opinions, some people really agreed, some people really disagreed. But either way, we're going to give one of these away. Again, brand new. We'll have a link in the description box below if you want to check it out for yourself. But we're going to go live on our YouTube channel on Saturday at 8 p.m. Eastern time. So mark it on your calendar. You've got a chance to win one of these puppies.
Check your time zones.
Check the time zones. Abby and I are, actually this should just be tomorrow if you're watching this video when it comes out.
Yep.
Some people don't, but that's okay.
Saturday.
We've got some news, some exciting news we're going to announce and talk about a few things. It's going to be a live Q&A video. So get your questions ready. We're going to try to answer some of those. It's been a long time since we've done one for everybody. So anyway, free Rise Tello. So be sure to tune in for that live. Now let's take a look and see what comes inside the box of this foldable selfie drone. I like the box. They call it the Sky Overlord. Kind of a funny name for it, but I do like the box. It almost feels like an iPhone quality, tough little box. You have your instructions. I didn't pack it back in here the best way possible, but anyway, foam on top, protecting it, and here's the drone itself. I didn't put the battery hatch back on because I wanted to point this out. The battery, this is very similar to the drone we just did yesterday. The battery is hard to get out of here, but not impossible, okay? It's not wedged in there. I mean, it's just kind of awkward. And the wires, there's not a lot of room, but I wanted to show you guys that before I put it all back together. It is a 750 milliamp LiPo 3.7 volt with a JST connection, which is not too bad, but let's just go and take the battery out while I do this. This is how we unfold it, which is definitely crazy. Like at first I thought, okay, well there you go, that's the drone, but no, there's more. It unfolds like this. The arms, they go up, and then so it's weird. Like this. How weird is that? Okay, it's not done. Now your props, your motors come down so that they can face up. It's really crazy. One of the weirdest but coolest shaped drones I've ever seen. And it's got the camera down here, and probably the only downside to this is that it's app controlled. There's no dedicated transmitter. But wait, there's more. Okay, so that's how it unfolds. Crazy unique. I really like that. Just because it's different. Thank you for thinking outside the box. Yeah. That's really cool. So let's get in here. There's some more foam. Don't be too distraught. It is app controlled, it is phone controlled, but there's your USB charge cable, about a half hour to 40-minute charge. You have some spare props in here. You get 4 of them. And then this guy, now normally, if this is all I saw, I wouldn't be too impressed. Better than nothing though. Most of the time you slap your phone in there and you know, you just control it. But this is the crazy thing. I've never seen anything. See if it will work. Oh, I've never seen anything like this before.
Also, that's a plus size phone. Just keep that in mind. I don't know how it will work.
Look,
with regular size phones. Looks like you need a plus size phone or like an iPad.
I agree. Now, this look at that joystick, and it feels good too. Like funny. It feels not very much pushback. The further you push out, there's more pushback, and it's staying on there. So that's a pretty unique thing right there, just for games. I think I'm gonna keep these just to like play games on my phone. It's not gonna scratch your phone. That suction's actually working really well. It's not gonna scratch your phone because
I get a new OtterBox.
Yeah, it has little like pads on the bottom of it. And then I hope that this fits in here. This is all very unique. I'm really loving their thinking outside the box. These little things lock. You can pull the handle out and then lock it in place, and then oh, that's a shame.
But you know, it's like the control sticks are meant for plus size phone, but that's not.
They definitely are. Yeah. Let's just out of curiosity, because people like to know the options. Not everybody has an iPhone.
iPhone 6s Plus in an OtterBox. Nathan's is a Samsung Galaxy Note 4.
Right.
And
it does work. It does fit in there. just barely.
Okay.
Now, would it tighten down and latch in place? Surprisingly not too bad, but I don't know that I would trust it like flipping it around or anything. But just to hold it, you know, that feels pretty good. Yeah. So I really appreciate them doing this. It is different, and that shouldn't go unrecognized. But if it doesn't fly, then it's not good for anything. So let's put this in the air and see how it really does. I wanted to show you guys the setup for those joysticks. It's interesting, but for them to line up where the app has that on a plus-sized phone, that's the only way for them to fit where the joysticks are supposed to be. So let's see if it actually works. The downside to this, we're screen recording on Abby's phone now for you guys. The downside is that the video feed is not working. So the drone from yesterday had the same app. I think there's something going on with this app, at least for iPhones. It's not working, but it does control the drone. So let's do auto takeoff. Well, we did it back there. Are my suction pad things messing with it? What did you hit? The bottom left one?
Yeah, that's what I hit.
I'll hit stop. Oh goodness. Let's take the pads off. There we go.
So you can't use the pads?
No, the pads didn't work,
oh,
and then it fell over when the motor started.
So you have to hand launch it?
Yeah. Now if you're a newer pilot, I have to yell here because the mic's turned around. If you're a newer pilot, don't try this at home. Or even if you're experienced, you probably shouldn't try this at home. Don't even try this because it's a waste of money.
It's like it doesn't work after you stop it. Does it have to be level?
I'm going to use the pipe. The hole.
The hole. Oh, jeez.
Well, there's video now. Okay, so the
what?
The video is live now. But you're doing screen recording, right?
Yeah.
So
it only took like 5 minutes for the video.
Okay, so the video is working. That is currently the inside of a PVC pipe in the ground. There we go. Okay.
Oh my gosh. Oh,
okay, look at it. It's all like contorted. Can you see the shape of it?
Yeah, it looks stupid.
Okay, the wind is definitely taking me away, and we're in 100% rates. So this is how people lose their drones. I'm going to land because we have a 5-mile-an-hour breeze. I didn't even pull down the throttle. I held down on the throttle for 2 seconds and it just shut off.
I know what we need to do with that, Nathan. See that right there? That's garbage can. Are we done?
Look.
What? No, that's how it crashed.
When it landed, and it was only like a maybe 2-foot drop, it just makes its arms go crazy. But hey, look, we have video now.
I can't believe it.
And a really pretty, very pretty sun right now.
I'm so sad that the thumbsticks, the suction thumbsticks didn't work.
And the video just randomly started
so
working.
Crazy.
Yep, the shape is cool, it's fun, it's different.
But it's not gonna work. It's not worth your money.
No.
It's just a joke, you know. It's just a gimmick.
Apparently the on-off button doesn't work. I've tried long pressing it, I've tried tap press like you do on DJI. That's not working. So the only way to turn this off is to disconnect the battery. I loved this. This just looks so neat. But it doesn't work. It didn't work at all. The video randomly started working. It just flying functionality. Yes, I could have taken it off again and played around with it some more, but really what's the point? The video stuff wasn't working. I don't believe you can buy this without the camera, and it just didn't feel right. These little joystick things are a cool concept. I might try them with like a game or something.
It's just a huge gimmick. That's all it is.
All a gimmick. If I wanted to fly a drone that was in the $50 or $60 price point, it definitely wouldn't be this one. So you guys need to check out some of the other videos on our channel. If you're newer, we get new people on our channel every day. So I'm talking to you guys.
And we'll have cards pop up throughout this entire video, so be sure to click on those for some good stuff.
Such a fun concept. But anyway, come into our channel on Saturday. We're going to give away a drone that does work. I think it's just a little overhyped, but it works great. The Rise Tello. We're going to go live and have fun with you guys, a Q&A. Probably have Popeye there. Maybe we'll give him a couple treats for you guys while he's there. Should be a fun little time. And if live goes well, maybe we'll do it more in the future. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye!